Hey guys, you're welcome to Mrs. Peace channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make my own plantain chips and make it very easy. Yes, you can make this healthy snack for your family. Yes, enough of all the snacks that you don't even know what they are putting inside. Preservatives is boko and you don't know. So I'm giving you homemade snacks that is healthy and can serve you and your children. So peel your plantain very well. If you are buying plantain in the UK, instead of you storing green plantain, I beg use it for plantain chips. This one has been in my house not even up to a week now. Just imagine, it's bringing out some black small things that is about to destroy the plantain. So I decided to turn it into plantain chips. Right away I cleaned my plantain and cleaned all those black things I'm not comfortable with, making sure everything is well, clean and okay for this plantain cheese to be made. Yes, if today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Mrs. P channel, Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. In this channel I talk about my life in the UK, things happening around me, and I do a lot of cooking videos and also live videos. So feel free to be a part only by liking, subscribe and be a part of my channel. Feel free to also open up your notification bell, wash your plantain very well, and you set aside in a clean frying pan. Put oil. This is an old oil I used before. If your own has changed color, beg stop using it, throw it away. This oil is still fresh and okay, so I added a bit, I top up with a little bit. This particular grater is what I use for my plantain chips. See that amount of salt, just like 1 teaspoon, 1 tea, not table, teaspoon or half teaspoon of, depending on your quantity of oil. Put inside your oil, stir very well, and you set aside the oil, the salt. Right away use this your grater, my dear. You must not use this one. The main thing is make sure any grater you're using has this particular part. Yes, put a little bit and check whether the oil is ready. You need hot oil for these plantain chips. Yes, when your oil is too hot, you can reduce to medium. Just see the way I'm holding this particular. If you want this particular grater, I got it from IKEA. You can also check in Amazon depending on where you are, no problem. So hold it very well and you start to grate out your plantain chips. This is the easiest way you can make so many, when I mean pains and a lot of plantain chips within hours. Before you know what is, you will not feel tired or weary. I tell you, this is the easiest way I do my plantain chips, and you will also enjoy it. So I start grating it. Those little ones that you see, I have to keep it back because I'll be using my normal kitchen knife to cut it little, to just like slice it out so that the grater will not cut my hand. So immediately after grating the quantity you want to start frying, use your frying spoon and you go in, stir and you turn around, turn. Make sure you're not leaving anywhere untouched. Very important. So set aside your sieving bowl that you will use and sieve it out. It's okay if you want, you can put paper towel inside to help you drain out the oil quite easier. So stir and you stir. See, plantain chips has a lot of secrets here. As you can see, the bubbles coming up because there is still water inside this plantain here. Immediately all the water retained in the plantain has already disappeared, dried off. You can see the bubbles will start reducing, telling the fryer, yes, the fryer, yes, I mean the fryer, you that is frying the plantain, that this plantain chips is drying off and is getting ready and is almost ready. You, I don't know why you're still at home doing nothing. As a mother, as a mother taking care of the home, yeah, your husband might say, oh, you don't have to work because you're in the house. Yeah, it's not a problem. You can still do some business from home. Yes, you can do something from home. You can start by making this plantain chip. This is 2026, a new year, new business, new life. So I'm bringing this as a business to you. You can try it. Plantain chips can be stored for months when it's fried well. Look at that, my own, very dry. Yeah, here in the UK, that this place is so cold, I have kept plantain chips for up to a month, still enjoying it, very crunchy and dry. Not that tomorrow you start complaining that it's soft here. The reason why it's soft, your own is soft after just a day or two, is because it's not dry. Allow that chips to dry for me, please. Allow your plantain chips to dry for me, and I promise you, you will come back thank you. So grate out your plantain chips, fry very well, and make sure it's dry. Please start something this new year. If you're looking for a business to try plantain chips, because whether dry season, raining season, plantain is there. You can buy it. The only thing, it can go, the price can go up and it can come down. That's the only thing happens. But you see plantain, certain plantain is very easy. There is no market you will go, no matter the season, you will not see plantain. Look at that one. Kre is the sound is giving me, because it's very, very dry. Please, if you're frying, dry your own very well, and I promise you will not regret trying. So like I was telling you, you can start this as a business. You can also make it as your children's snack for school. Yes, enough of all these things you buy in small packet. You don't know what is inside. Preservative, boko. I'm telling you. Yes, you can give them, but not every time. Plantain chips gives you that healthy snack you're looking for your children. Please try this and you'll thank me. Even you that crave more in the night. I'm a good night eater. So I make sure I have something to snack on, either crackers or plantain chips. So plantain chips is also good if you love eating in the night. If you love eating in the night, or you sleep late, or even you're doing night work, you can take plantain chips as your snack. Another thing you need to know when you're grating this, when you grate a little bit, you check, you see all this white thing on your grater. Please remove it. It makes the grater, the sharp part, as in very easy to go into your plantain if you're removing them. But if you don't remove them, if it's there, it will look as if it's blunt, and it will not be giving you those sharp cuts you need. So make sure you're taking all these my chips, because tips is very, very important. You can see what we have done so far. It's looking so beautiful and nice. You can see that. Isn't this beautiful? Have you watched up to this moment? Please like my video, comment, and feel free to be a part of this lovely channel. You can see what is remaining from that. So feel free to fry this dry and make sure everything dries off before you take it out. Now look at that oil for me. You can see the bubbles are very less, like I told you earlier. Look at it. Bubbles are very, very less because the water retention in the plantain is off. It's no more in the plantain. That is why you need to remove it at this point. Your plantain chips is very, very dry. So take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off, and you serve your plantain hot or cold, depending on the way you want it, but it's okay if you serve it cold. After frying, you need a very tight container. Yes, if you don't have a tight container, you're not sure whether the container is well tight, please get a leather, when I mean leather Ziploc bag. Pack these plantain chips first, then put inside another leather, and put inside another leather. Tie it very well, and you put in an airtight container if you don't have any container, whether airtight or not. But if you can get a very good airtight container, that's what I use. Pour these plantain chips straight. You see the small ones that remain back there. Now I'm using my hand to cut it out. You see, very easy. Please, if you're not sure you can do this as I'm doing it, I beg, you can trash that one, no problem. So you will not cut your hand and say it's me that asked you to go and cut your hand. So please, if you feel like you can do it, feel free to do this, and you fry and get everything ready. Please use an airtight container, very important. Another one, make sure you're frying your plantain chips dried, so that tomorrow you will not say my own is good, your own is not good. Isn't this beautiful? Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Be a part of this lovely channel. I appreciate you, and see you in my next video. Bye.